Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public room in Among Us. It's a straightforward process that allows you to host games for other players to join. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can easily set up your own lobby. This way, you can enjoy playing with a wider community and experience the fun of Among Us with new crewmates and imposters. Let's get started on hosting your next game. To begin, launch Among Us and head to the main menu. From there, select the online option. This will take you to the online play screen. Next, you'll want to choose host to indicate that you wish to create a new game. Finally, click on Create Game to proceed to the lobby setup, where you can customize your game's specifics before it goes live for others to join. Once you're in the lobby creation screen, it's time to customize your game. First, pick your favorite map from the selection. Then, decide how many imposters you want in your game. You can choose 1, 2, or 3. Finally, select the chat language for your lobby. These settings ensure your game matches your preferences and attracts players looking for a similar experience. Take your time to get them just right. After you've set all your preferences, simply confirm your choices. Your game room will then be created and automatically made public, allowing other players from around the world to see and join your lobby. You'll see players start to appear in your room. Once you have enough players, you can start the game and begin your adventure as a crewmate or an imposter. Enjoy your public game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.